Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is how to get your glass shower doors sparkling clean. I know a lot of us have tried different methods. We have squeegees, we've tried wiping them down, and sometimes it just doesn't matter what you do, the doors just don't seem that clean. Well, here's a tip that you can try and let me know if it works for you. What you're gonna want to do is grab an empty spray bottle. You can probably buy them at the dollar store. I know that I've seen them there, or even Home Depot or Walmart. A lot of these stores have them. And what you're going to want to do is fill that bottle with vinegar, and you want to spray the glass with the vinegar and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After that 10-minute mark, grab some baking soda and throw it along where you sprayed that vinegar and let it sit for a little bit. Again, you want to, at this time, you want to grab a lemon, cut that lemon in half, and then sprinkle some salt along with the lemon. And then what you're going to do is take that lemon and go and scrub all the windows, all the glass doors of which that concoction you made with vinegar and baking soda is on, and scrub it, and it should really foam up. Then just wipe it all down and see how clean your glass is. Let me know if you've tried this tip and if it worked for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.